Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode over on the Craft app. So if you want to use dark mode over on the Craft app, all you need to do is open the Craft app just like this. And once you've done that, you will most likely be at this screen. If you are, simply go to the top left corner of your screen and click on this arrow icon. Once you've done that, go to the top left corner again and click on your profile picture. Once you've done that, you can simply click on your name and email to basically expand this little menu right here, and then you can click on settings. Once you've done that, you will find right here appearances, and then right here you can literally just choose any appearance you want. So you can either choose light mode or dark mode obviously, and you can also change colors of basically surroundings or buttons, all those kind of things. And you can here also change your application icon, which is also cool. But yeah, basically in order to enable dark mode, what you need to do is switch it from system over to dark or from light to dark, and that's literally all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.